Hello Excel users, this is Akkaz. In this video, I will show you how to unhide multiple worksheets at once and how to unhide all worksheets at once. This will be done through a new feature added by Microsoft in Excel 365 and Excel Online users. It is available since March 2021. Let's see the solution. First, let me hide some sheets. Okay, left click at sheet name, then click at unhide. You can also go to home, then format and unhide sheet. Here, if you want to unhide a single sheet, just click at that name and click OK. The new feature is now you can select multiple sheets in unhide dialog box. Right click, unhide. In this dialog box, now we can select multiple sheets. I am pressing Ctrl key at keyboard, then click at required sheet names, then click at OK. These sheets are now unhide. If I want to unhide all sheets, then I click at first sheet name, then press Shift key at keyboard, then click at last sheet name. All sheets are selected now, then click at OK. Now my all sheets are unhide. In this way, you can unhide your selected sheets as well as all worksheets.